What is the TSP, Thrift Savings Plan? The Thrift Savings Plan, TSP, is a retirement savings program designed for federal employees and military personnel. It offers a tax-advantaged way to grow savings, making it a vital tool for securing financial stability. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's what you need to know. How it works: the TSP functions like a 401k. Participants can defer part of their salary into the plan, with government matching available for those under the Federal Employees Retirement System, FERS. Investment options: the TSP offers 5 core funds: G Fund, government securities; F, C, S, and I funds, cover fixed income, large cap stocks, small cap stocks, and international stocks. This variety allows participants to choose investments based on their risk tolerance and goals. Roth TSP, contributions use after-tax dollars, offering tax-free withdrawals in retirement if conditions are met. This is great for younger participants or those expecting higher future tax rates. Withdrawal choices: options include lump sums, partial withdrawals, or annuities. Careful planning helps minimize taxes and maximize income. The TSP combines low fees, diverse investments, and flexible withdrawal strategies, making it a cornerstone for federal employees' retirement planning. By leveraging its features, you can build a secure and prosperous financial future. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.